Hey guys, are you want to buy best fiber patch cord? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best fiber patch cord that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Vandesail fiber patch cord, the LC2LCOM3 patch cable delivers reliable, high-speed data transmission with low insertion loss and excellent return loss, ensuring minimal signal attenuation and reflections. Constructed with a flame-resistant LSCH low-smoke, zero-halogen jacket, it emits minimal smoke and toxic fumes, making it safe for indoor installations. The cable features a high-quality imported Corning USO M3 fiber core for stable transmission and easy welding, while the Japan-imported zirconia ceramic mortise ensures zero data loss and a long lifespan of over 1,000 uses. Designed as a multi-mode duplex cable, it supports 10 gigabit applications and is compatible with SFP+ transceivers, media converters, and optical needs. Versatile and durable, this LC2LC multi-mode fiber patch cable is ideal for data centers, enterprise networks, telecom, broadcast systems, and security setups, making it perfect for new installations or network upgrades. Now, our second product is RamboCables fiber patch cord. The RamboCables 1 meter 3 feet OM4 LCLC fiber patch cable is a high-performance solution for reliable network connections. Featuring 51/25 of a micrometer, multimode fiber with 851,300ths of a nanometer wavelength and a durable LSCH jacket, it ensures stable and efficient data transmission. Ideal for 10G, 4OG, 100G Ethernet, it supports 10G transmission up to 400 meters, 40G up to 350 meters, and 100G up to 125 meters. Designed for use with SFP+, QSFP+, and BD senior transceivers, this duplex cable is perfect for high-density cabling in data centers, enterprise networks, and telecom setups. With low insertion loss is less than or equal to 0.3 decibels, high return loss 30 decibels, and a bend radius of 7.5 millimeters. It delivers consistent performance while saving space. RamboCables OM4LCLC patch cables meet industry standards, offering dependable connectivity and optimized network efficiency for professional and demanding environments. Our third product is 10G-Tech fiber patch cord. This fiber optic solution from a 14-year ISO-certified manufacturer offers exceptional quality and reliability for networking applications. Crafted with high-grade PVC LSZH fiber cable, zirconia ceramic ferrules, and aramid strength members, it ensures durability and high-temperature resistance. Each fiber core undergoes strict insertion loss testing, with MMF results of as less than or equal to 0.3 decibels insertion loss and 30 decibels return loss, guaranteeing stable and efficient signal transmission. Fully compliant with TIA-EIA 568C3, IEC 607-932-10A1B, and 600-4210-492A AA standards and certified CE in RoHS. It meets industry benchmarks for performance and safety. Compatible with all brands of multi-mode SFP transceivers and fiber optic networks, this solution is ideal for data centers, enterprise networks, and telecom infrastructures. Its precision engineering ensures reliable connectivity, high efficiency, and long-term performance for professional networking setups. Now, number 4. Rapink fiber patch cord. The 24-pack of CAT6A 1-foot patch cables is a perfect solution for high networking in data centers and home setups. Featuring super slim 28 AWG construction, these cables are at least 50% thinner than standard 24 AWG cables, making them easy to route through tight spaces and cable management panels while improving airflow, and reducing congestion. Each cable supports 10G Ethernet speeds at 550 MHz, with gold-plated connectors ensuring stable and reliable connections. The clear snagless clips make it simple to see switch ports and LED indicators, while also allowing quick and easy removal. Compatible with TIA 568, 2D standards and supporting PO. These Cat6a patch cords are ideal for connecting switches, patch panels, and other devices efficiently. The variety of colors included helps keep installations organized and visually clear. And our last choice is Vandesail fiber patch cord, the LC2LC Singlemode. Fiber patch cable is a high-performance solution for long-distance and mission-critical network applications. Equipped with precision UPC connectors, it ensures superior signal quality and minimal insertion loss, providing a stable and reliable connection. The OS2 Fiber Core 9 1/125 of a micrometer with ultra-physical contact UPC ferrules delivers exceptional durability and consistent performance, while the LSEH jacket ensures safety by producing minimal smoke and no harmful halogen gases in case of fire. Ideal for long-distance transmission, this single-mode patch cable supports connections from hundreds of meters up to tens of kilometers, making it perfect for data centers, enterprise networks, telecom systems, broadcasting, and security applications. Compliant with TIA EIA 568C3 standards, it guarantees robust performance, versatility, and reliability for both professional and large-scale networking environments. So, what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful, to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.